Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching us for the first time, please help us to subscribe. And in this video we want to prepare our agbo or herb medicine. Okay, so this is the medicine we are going to prepare. We have our turkey berry. Okay, so this is African paquetina. Okay, so this is blood tonic and this one is to blood tonic. So this is cocoyam leaves, you see. So this is pawpaw, which is papaya leaf. So we are going to blend it together, and this papaya is very good for those who are pregnant. Please don't take this this leaf. Okay, this is papaya leaf. Don't take this one. Is you can take these three together. Okay, so I want to blend it for you to see. It's very good. This is medicine. If you have it in your compound, prepare it for your family. So I'm going to wash it. This is my warm water, normal water. Okay, so I want to blend it. Cocoyam. Turkey berry. So this one we are not going to use this one. So this is the medicine. So beautiful people, this is our medicine. This is African paquetina. Okay, and this is cocoyam leaf, papaya leaf, and turkey berry. Okay, so we are going to take it now and see So beautiful people, I'm going to take my own. It's not that I'm sick, oh, I'm not sick, but once in a while, try and take this medicine, okay?
Oh, beautiful people. These days, you have to. They said prevention is better than cure. Okay, so sometimes you have to take some of these herbs for prevention. This is a 4-in-1 Africa Paquentina, which is very good for blood. Okay, then turkey berry too is also for blood. Then
this is
papaya leaf. Okay, papaya leaf is very good for, digestive detoxification, and those suffering from ED go for papaya leaf. Then the last one, which is not the leaf, cocoyam leaf. Cocoyam leaf is so 4-in-1.
You no need to boil your
this
medicine
leaf is an extraction of those.
Philip, take it.
Hey, Philip, this herb is an extraction of those leaves. Their nutrients, we absorb it from this juice.
It's okay, Philip, it's okay like this. It's okay. Manela.
Wow, beautiful people.
This medicine is very good. Try and take. If you have it in your compound, take it.
Hey, Manuela, be careful with that. Be careful, because these days now, the economy situation now, if you have these leaves, you will just see yourself going too far from the hospital. It's not as if we are sick or
we
anything,
are not
but
sick, we are strong.
when you take all these things, it will, those missing, elements in the body that from the balanced diet.
Yes.
All these herbs. That is why when you see the goats, they usually eat grass. The animal that eats grass, they hardly get sick, because most of all the leaves they are eating, they are medicinal leaves. Okay, and God, I'm feeling too strong. So thank you for watching.
See you on our next video.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. For more videos, and share. Okay,
Philip,
say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Philip, come.